Hi boys and girls, so I'm sure you've heard about the latest Speech Heroes role-playing game. Speech Heroes is a revolutionary game that not only teaches you communication skills, but also important life skills that help to enhance your emotional intelligence. So what exactly is Speech Hero about?
In this game, you will be the hero that saves the world from the darkness through talking to various characters and completing quests.
Prizes will be awarded upon completing each quest. Besides using these prizes to enhance your in-game equipment, you can also use them to redeem prizes in real life.
Isn't that amazing?
Now I will show you how to download the legendary Speech Heroes game. First, go to www.speechacademyasia.com/webinar-english. Scroll down and you will see two download buttons. If you are using Windows, click on the Download for Windows button to download. If you are using Mac, click on the Download for Mac button to download. Now, let me walk you through the game. Welcome to your Speech Heroes online tutorial. In this game, you'll be representing two avatars, Keegan and Megan. To see Keegan and Megan's stats, equipment, and other in-game options and settings, press the Escape button. To navigate and explore the area in the game, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. As you're exploring the maps, you'll notice that treasure chests are littered throughout each map. Open these treasure chests to collect gold. Gold acquired can be used to purchase skills, armor, and weapons to upgrade your avatar stats. However, premium items may only be purchased using diamonds acquired upon completing your assignments in class. When you enter a town, talk to the NPCs to learn more about the quest that you'll be embarking on. To talk to the NPCs, simply walk towards them and press enter. When in combat mode, strategy is key. Keegan and Megan have two attack modes, Greet and Speech. Greet attack has a lower damage, but at the same time requires less mana points. Speech attack carries a higher damage even though it uses more mana points. For every turn, you get to choose an attack for each avatar. However, since health and mana points are limited and can only be refilled at the healing inns, choose your attacks wisely. Upon completing each combat, simply follow the instructions given to you by the NPCs to conclude each quest.